Hello and welcome to Modern Scuba's YouTube channel. So a little bit different, but I'm going to be unboxing my new B&W trailer hitch for my new to me pickup truck. Merry Christmas everybody. Alright, so this is the 2.5-inch receiver tri-ball hitch. Nicely packaged. Yes. Yeah, that's definitely heavy. Does not come with that pin. I did not know that before. So these have a pin that keeps the hitch attached to the receiver no matter what. Good, so that's actually not ever going to come loose, so that means I don't have to worry about somebody stealing this part. If I remember right, take that pin out, and that's how you select your ball. I guess you have to use this one for that. So on this, we've got 2-inch, 1 7/8, and 2 5/16. I'm going to keep it set for 2-inch, and there we are. All right, so this is my new B&W adjustable tri-ball trailer hitch. Once again, 2-inch, 1 7/8, 2 5/16 trailer ball. You do need to get your own receiver pin. This is a 2.5-inch receiver on this truck, so I don't have any of that yet, but that's my next stop at the hardware store. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.